Are we a little on edge? Yes, we're a little on edge.
Yes.
I'm telling you, this vest is the way to travel. Is there a plane around the corner? Hey, come take a look.
What you got for me?
We're checked in. We have seats and boarding passes and everything.
Woohoo! High five to that. All right, so you might remember back in the spring, we tried to take a flight to Kitchener-Waterloo with Flair Airlines that we got an amazing deal on tickets, and it turned out to be an epic fail.
We don't have a flight going to Waterloo. The flight has been cancelled.
I guess it's canceled then. The stupid airline is frickin' screwed it up. Well, we were able to rebook those flights, and here we are. We are checked in online this time. It actually worked. I'm so excited. To me, that means there is a flight, and it has been nearly 3 years since I've seen my family, so let's go.
And here in the kitchen, Mel's getting our dinners all ready.
Sandwiches and these really, really tasty Indian snacks. They're like spicy cheesies.
Yeah, this time we're doing a little better. We've got everything all laid out here ready to go, and this time I've checked 3 different online places to make sure that our flight is actually going.
Now, the packing, you might remember, was a little extreme last time, and it's gonna be extreme again this time. We are still both going with just a single personal item each, and I haven't changed my method really. I'm still bag lady with my big giant purse. And this is the first layer of clothing I'll be wearing, and I'll be putting on the second one just before we go out the door, because it is a little hot outside again. Just saying.
And me, I've just got my laptop case and all of this stuff laid out here. What's that all about? Could it have anything to do with this?
Pocket man.
I'm a pocket man. So now my job is to get all of this into this.
Wait, you're gonna put a toiletries bag in your pocket vest?
Of course.
Oh my God.
I want to have them handy in case I need to use them. Kindle. Well, and I've got my laptop power brick because that's heavy. I don't want to add that to the weight of my bag. Oh, these tiny little things I'm gonna put in this little zipper pocket here so that they don't fall anywhere. And my little portable charger, I want to make sure I have that handy, so we'll put that right beside my toiletries. Camera, look at that.
Uh-oh.
I was just wondering if I should clip this instead of magnet it. I think yes, clipping is the way to go. And now we'll take the box for the microphones. We might have to go on the inside with this. Pocket man.
Yeah, I think we're good.
I think we've probably got everything. The only question to be answered, will there be a plane? We'll see.
Well, we have a boarding pass, so we better have a plane. If they mess that one up, I don't know. I don't know what I'll do. All right, we have made it to the airport. Now let's see if we can make it. Whoop, there goes my hat. This whole thing has me just a little nervous. First time flying in like 3 years, but also just with everything that happened last time, I'm just kind of, you know.
Are we a little on edge? Yes, we're a little on edge.
Yes. Anyways, let's go. There's Pocket Man.
I'm a pocket man. Oh, this time it's on the board.
It's on the board.
I'm a pocket man. I'm telling you, this vest is the way to travel. I don't think I'm ever going to travel again without a vest like this. Everything you need, it's right here. You don't have to carry anything. It's great. Made it through security. We might actually be going. lot of stuff this time, but no checked luggage for me to find. Not even a carry-on from home. Oh no, no, no. I'm a pocket man. Pocket man, carrying so much stuff all alone. Is there a plane around the corner? Well, it looks like a plane. It smells like a plane.
All right, we're on the plane. Yay! And I'm gonna have a nap. And I usually fall asleep during the taxi before takeoff, so we'll see if that tradition continues.
It's a really short taxi here in Abbotsford, so I don't know. That's going to be a challenge. And I think I got a lot of stuff this time, but no checked luggage for me to find. Not even a carry-on from home. Oh no, no, no. I'm a pocket man. Pocket man, carrying so much stuff all alone. And I think I got a lot of stuff this time, but no checked luggage for me to find. Not even a carry-on from home. Oh no, no, no. I'm a pocket man. Well, it appears we have made it.
We made it.
Woohoo!
It's late, only late by about 15 minutes, and it's also late in the day. Local time is now like a little after 1 in the morning.
All right, let's rock. Last one's off the plane. Empty plane.
The very last.
I'm a pocket man. Pocket man, carrying so much stuff all alone. We are back in Abbotsford. So, after all that, Flair got us here.
Mind you, we did get seated in two different ends of the plane for the journey home, which was a little bit annoying, but hey, could use a break every once in a while, right?
Really?
Anyways, it was a successful trip.
Really good trip.
Yeah, gifts from Mexico were delivered. We got to see my family. We got to see some of Jay's family. It was good. It was wonderful. And now we're home again. So next week, we don't know if we're gonna have a video for you or not. We'll just have to wait and see. But we've got some other stuff lined up for the summer. So we'll see you when we see you.
Yeah, we've got our trailer back, so we might be going places and doing things. See ya. This time we're actually checked in. Redo.
What's the word I'm looking for?
I have checked 3 different...
Go back to where you were.
I'm a pocket man.
Make sure you don't miss the next video by liking, subscribing, and turning on notifications.
Oh, and don't forget to check out our website and sign up for our weekly email blast.
Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next one.
And I think I got a lot of stuff this time, but no checked luggage for me to find.